In this video, I'll show you how to center or move Loox reviews on your product page in just a few minutes. Start by opening your browser and logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Before doing anything else, make sure the Loox Photo Reviews app is already installed on your store, since this is what controls the reviews section. Once you are logged in, go to Online Store, then click on Themes. Find your active theme and click Customize. Inside the theme editor, look for App Embeds and confirm that the Loox app script is enabled. If it's not turned on, enable it and save your changes. Now move to the product page layout. From the theme editor, open the product template or product page section. Here, look for an option to add a block or add a section. In the list of available blocks, search for Loox product reviews or the Loox star rating widget. Then add it to the page. Once the Loox reviews widget appears on the product page, click on it to access its settings. You can now drag and reposition the widget anywhere within the product layout. Move it higher to highlight social proof or place it lower for a cleaner layout depending on your design preference. If your theme supports alignment options, use them to center the reviews visually for a more balanced look. After you're happy with the placement, save your changes. That's it. You've successfully moved or centered Loox reviews on your Shopify product page, making your reviews more visible and improving customer trust. Thanks for watching and happy selling.